The most common question that students have in ALEKS is, how do I work the pie? Here's your pie once you have completed your initial assessment. Notice that you have 6 sections. Now this is a stats pie. Depending on the class that you are in, it would be different. If you are in 113, college algebra, if you're in 010, 020, they are all different. The first one that we have here is mathematical readiness. These are the topics that you need to work on. You have 4 topics here. Now, if you look here, it says 15 of 19. That means that when I took the test, I had 15 of the topics done of the 19. So I have 4 topics left. If I come down to the yellow pie, it says I have 2 of 16. So I captured 2 of the 16 on the test. I have 14 topics left. But there are only 5 topics listed here. I am only ready to work 5 topics. I am not ready for all 14. As you work these topics, and as you work the topics in the green, more topics will pop up in the other pies. It does not make a difference which topics you work first. You could work these first. You could pick these first. It does not make a difference. ALEKS will only give you the topics you are ready to work. So if I wanted to work these 2, and then go back to the green and work these 2, that is fine. Pick whichever ones you would like to do first. Okay, the dark section is what you captured on your initial assessment. The light section is what you still have to do. So every time you get a topic done, the dark sections will get bigger. When you capture those on a test, the dark sections will get bigger. So your goal is to get these sections to get dark. Okay, your objective is to click on a topic. We'll go up here to mathematical readiness, where we'll click on summation of index data. Okay, so this is that topic. Okay, say you do not know what to do. You're going to hit explain. It explains what you should do for this topic. Now this is the ALEKS explanation. Over here you have your resources from your instructor. These, please notice, are PDF files. These letters at the end indicate different instructors that have put up the notes. This is a video that will direct you to YouTube that you can watch on this topic. Okay. I personally would recommend that you have the ALEKS problem in your notes. Okay, you are able to use your notes on all assessments and the final test. So you should have a binder with everything, all your notes in there organized. And there is a video on that I will also be making. So let's just pop up these notes here. Okay, you're going to have to open them. Let's see what this does. Okay, great. So this is asking you to use the ALEKS calculator. Okay, so you print this off. You can also put these in your notes. Notice that the ALEKS problem is not in here. Okay, it just tells you how to work it. So when you go to take the test, you will not know what problem this really goes to. Okay, so you really should print off the ALEKS problem and then print this off and put it with the problem. Okay, so I would print this off and print the notes off. Sometimes these notes aren't clear. Sometimes the other instructor notes are clear. It's just a choice for each student. All right, use the videos, use these notes. Each person, each student is different. Okay, here's your calculator that you can use on the ALEKS calculator also. Please feel free to use your own calculator. The ALEKS calculator, later on in this course, you will be needing these buttons, okay? And you will only be able to, these are not found on a regular calculator. You will need the ALEKS calculator for this. All right? Okay, so when you have this answer, pardon me, when you are ready for your next problem, just hit practice. It will give you another problem. Now notice this is different than the last problem. Okay, you answer it, hit next. You must get 3 problems right in a row, and then it will put the topic back into your pie. And so once you do that, this topic will be gone once you have 3 topics right in a row. All right. Now sometimes if you're stuck on a topic, ALEKS will tell you, you need to be trying a different topic because it's saying that you don't know what you're doing. Okay, you can keep trying that topic, but you possibly need to be contacting your instructor and saying, I don't know what I'm doing on this, I need some extra help, okay? Please use the videos, use the extra notes. All right. Okay, I think that about explains the ALEKS and what you need to be doing on that.